Welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today, 23rd February, Sunday night. Let's take a look at the market conditions, see what market look like upcoming week. All right. So, as you can see right here, folks, we had the OPEX last Friday, and market had a big sell-off happen right there. And now we are at the little tiny support. Conditions are still strong and bullish, and your trend line is intact right here. So we are still in this channel, and market is validating at the roof area, just going up, down, up, down, up, down. Like, look at the pattern market is following. Still MACD in a bull territory. Continue squeeze. Bulls are in control. Cloud conditions are bullish right here. All right, now MACD trying to cross here. Did you see that MACD trying to cross here and the condition looking bullish? But the squeeze come in bad. The squeeze is there right now. That means we need to wait for certain area to flip. What is that area to flip? So these are the bear cycle right here. Look at this: rejection, dump, rejection, dump, rejection, dump. Then we had a breakout and then we pull back, but we had a event. What was the event on a Friday? Was the OPEX month option expiry, and that could be one of the reason market did sell off, because the still squeeze is bullish, condition is bullish, and we are at the support area, folks. Okay. So we're gonna look into more little shorter time frame and see whether it is really bearish or not. So let's go and look at time frame of 4 hours. And so over here again we are at the demand zone area, folks, right here. Let me put the price here. This is your demand zone at around $600, 600 SPY, right? And if these flips, remember that we are right here at the first time we are testing. Okay, first time testing, we didn't bounce, didn't go down. We are testing one time, so either we could bounce and then rejection and go down. Remember, we always look at the two side, we don't look at the one side, and that's the case. If they bounce, and then let's see how much bounce comes, and then rejection comes or not, and then the rejection comes, they could test and we could break this and could go lower also, and then lower. If that happens, the next level would be 590. All right, but if they want to bounce here and tomorrow keep the price upward, then hey, then the levels are up all the way up here, folks. Okay, there is nothing here, right? But we want to see if any rejection comes in anywhere. But right now supply, look at that, tons of supply at the top around 609 area right here, 610 area. So you keep this thing in mind, that this area right here precisely. All right, so this area you got to keep it in mind for tomorrow, day after tomorrow, whole 1 week. You never know, whatever wherever market, this market spends some time here or here, nobody knows, right? So but these are the area to keep eyes on it too. All right, why? Because look at the 4 hour chart, MACD looking bearish, little bearishness showing, but we had the same situation here, and the bull lined up, squeeze coming in and pull it up. That's the market does on and off. All right here, 1 hour charts. So 1 hour chart, MACD already bottomed down here. Look at that, right? And we are at the support area. So critical support here, 599 area, folks. Critical support here. Let the market maker decide tomorrow, see what they're gonna do: bounce, rejection, or test and bounce and go up, or bounce, retest and go and break the support and go down. That's what I would be thinking, because people think that, oh no, market, that's it, market gonna go to the moon because everything is bullish. That's not the way to go and check, folks. Let the market maker decide. That's what I would say. Let the market maker decide. Those who are looking at it, but we are the support. Bounce, several event, it happened, it bounce. Okay, so how much strength market has to bounce, that's what you need to see tomorrow morning. Okay, let the market, the future would be right now opened up, future gonna go up and down. All the some people will be trading, but at the end, morning market opens up, that's the time we need to calculate all those things. Okay, so right now wait here and see what market does it. Okay, let's go and take a look at 30-minute chart, see how 30-minute chart look like. So we had a horrible sell of lower low right there, rejection, condition bearish, but again we are back to the certain areas where where most of the events occurred here, cluster right there, lot of market bounce, rejection. So this support area to still we need to wait here. Okay, and see what happened. Bears are still intact, MACD trying to cross here upwards. This is 30-minute charts, right? So let's see. So if you see a bounce, folks, okay, I think this is where you need to if you are a bull and say, hey, I want to take my profit, if market goes higher, folks, keep eyes on it. Instead of here, keep eyes on 605 area right here. This is where you need to be very careful if you are a bullish and market goes to little higher. All right, this area to keep eyes on it too. If that happens, that's the bull side. If this support breaks, then we could go lower, and these are the area. All right, so keep these, take a screenshot, right, and see what market plays tomorrow. All right, now let's take a look at the folks market. I want to make a little smaller video. I had to run somewhere with the family, so the QQQ, look at the major sloping support broke. So be careful, folks, on QQQQ. All right, because whenever market breaks the support, that's not good, folks. Okay, look at the QQQ 30-minute charts. So this is where I would say QQQQQ right here is your support, and see what it bounce. Okay, so right now resistance is here. So this is where if you see rejection, it could be a great short, folks. Why? Because market did break this and come back here, and this could rejection comes, and all these bears are trying to, there are a lot of people trying to be bullish, and they make you bullish and then trap all the bulls somewhere and come back here. That could happen. You cannot predict, because the MACD cross on, because the daily, look at the daily chart, lower low, look at this lower low. Only thing is still bullish squeeze conditions are bullish. MACD, look at this powerful candle, and it's divergent, bearish divergent too on a daily chart, right? So that's why it's kind of it's kind of mixed signal you're getting, but giving you heads up here how the market could play here, right? Let them play how these people work here. You know, you're gonna see around here, because we're hanging in the middle right there. So either 520 or 533, most likely bounce and then could have rejection, and they could trap, because a lot of people try to be bullish right now. So if they trap it, be careful. This is just a thesis, folks. Okay, I don't see, when I see something in morning, I will let you know. But right now, this is thesis. They could bounce and then rejection and then trap all the bulls, because those who are lining up, and then they come back lower low. Then all these bulls lose money, and then these people could go long at Wednesday or something and then go all the way. These people do like that, folks. You never know. You never know. All right, let's look at the IWM. I want to make a quick video. So same thing, IWM, folks. Things are not looking interesting. Okay, maybe, folks. Okay, maybe, because look at the market tops up started falling now. So market is playing around here to here. Look at that right there. So 220, now 216. So if you see a bounce again, look this setup also, folks. 221 right here. If you see bounce and rejection come, because that's your supply, 221 on IWM. If look at that, that's your Russell 2000. If rejection comes, then we could go to 216. And a lot of people trying to be bullish, but if they don't book the profit here, it's a disaster, folks. So remember what we learned yesterday, folks, technical intraday class, is profit booking is important at certain levels where the demand and supplies are. I'm not just looking at just the simple resistance and support area. I'm looking at the strong supplies. Okay, so this is a strong supply, and you know, some people, you know, they don't book the profit and then they cry because cycle changes. So if you're playing bigger cycle, okay, or just to give you idea, all right, if you're playing bigger cycle, so plan accordingly. All right, that's the thesis. That's the technical, not thesis. You know, you got to wait here what would happen at that time. All right, but I'm expecting, because of all the tops are falling lately, that is the one reason I would say like that. And the daily MACD crossing also, so could have a small bounce, but be careful, folks. Okay, that's what I would say. I give you a little heads up. You know? Let's take a look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 1 day chart. So Bitcoin is still hanging in at that support area, folks, right here. Still Bitcoin support is right there. It's still holding right there at the 90,000. You know, below the cloud condition, but sideways, bullish, bearish. So they will be just like, remember I said, they probably will be consolidating here between 85 and 110, right? Probably a year or so, right? 2025, and then little breakout, pull back, little breakdown, and go up like that they'll be going in and out, get you excited, going up and down. Okay, that's what I can see here for market maker would do. All right, so Bitcoin is sideways bullish, sideways bearish bullish, but not strong bearish, sideways. Okay, that's what I would say on it. Let's take a look at some stocks, folks. Okay, what I like about is, remember last time what I said is the Oxy, earlier I said about the Intel, now the Oxy looking interesting to me, bullish divergent building, and after a long time sell off, Oxy, if this Oxy could flip, it could be a bullish right here. If this flips, Oxy wants to go higher. All right, so then Oxy target would be 56 right there. Then let's take a look at the, some people say, Josh, I want to buy a Mara, so let's take a look at the Mara. So Mara, we are at the strong support area here, right? If this support flips, we could go lower. Yeah, if that support flips, condition is not that strong here, right? So maybe they could just little push down. If they want to push down around $13, it can happen, and then bounce could happen. Okay, but this is the entry zone for Mara around $13-14, folks. That's the entry zone. $1 $2 it could happen up and down, but this is the entry zone to go long. How long? 6 months, 8 months, somewhere market could give you some money later stage. All right, that's how I see. Okay, that's the Mara. Then okay, I have a little announcement also before we do that, folks. So we had yesterday we did the class here, technical intraday class. We finished that. So now we have technical intraday class went long, folks, almost over 5 hours. Yesterday we went there, did not expect it is 180 minutes, but it went to 5 hours. All right, now remember I promised that we will be doing the option class, because that's how we're gonna learn the Bermuda Triangle, because of market creates the varieties of cycles, and we need to master those cycles with the premium games, right? How do I play the games, right? With the market maker always play the game with us, but we need to beat them. So whenever the iron is hot, we need to hammer, but we need to learn that. So that's why we are announcing another new class, which is option technique class right here. This class we will be doing. Okay, we did this class for 2 years ago, folks, right? And now we are doing redo this class, right? Everything is fresh, everything will be fresh, redoing. This is amazing going to be, folks. So if you want to join, take the advantage of this class. Will be $4.99, because this is not a 120 minutes. So let me explain you, folks, what I'm talking about here. Now what I see here is, earlier I used to do 120 minutes all the classes, and then I said 180 minutes, but yesterday I did the class. It took 5 hours, folks. Over 300 minutes I spent on it, just to give you a technical intraday class, because I don't compromise on this stuff, right? When I give you, I always make sure that everybody's satisfied properly. So I try my best. So this class, is not worth my time for that value. So I will stick to the price I gave you, which is $4.99. Okay, I'll do for $4.99, folks, and I'll still honor it for you, this one. So first 25 students, okay, first 25 students will give you $4.99, because this is the most important class, folks, for the option class. That's how we're gonna understand. Now you understood the intraday, apply this class, right? And then you will understand how the market plays intraday, right? So sorry, not this one. You can scan this and make a payment, and then enroll first 25 students, $4.99, and after that will be $7.50. After that we'll be doing $7.50, not $5.99, folks. It's I spent too many hours on here. Okay, so let's right now let's keep it $4.99 for first 25 students. Okay, and then I will announce if any changes. When the class would be, we're gonna do the class on second week of March, second weekend of the March, means either way Sunday or Saturday we're gonna do on a March. Once this class is over, folks, that's it. Then it is going back to the price of regular. Okay, $1,000. It used to be 120 minutes. It's not 120 minutes. It's going to be 108, over 180. It's over even 200 minutes, right? So hope you understand. So right now I'm giving you, when I give you, after 2 years, I'm giving you this price. 2 years. So it's far better to take it now, folks, and enroll. First 25 student gets it, then I will increase this. I will increase the price. $100 always goes up, folks. Okay, hope you understand. $100 always goes up, and then later stage we're gonna do little, because this is too much time I put it on. People charge $2,500 just to learn little basic thing, folks, and the content what I provide you on yesterday class. So that is the reason I would say this is the bargain. Whatever I teach you is a bargain at this price, like a penny a dollar, right? People who know the value what I when I teach you. All right, so if you want to sign, folks, I'll be posting in the main group also. You can take a screenshot or you can add it up. Okay, I'll post it in the announcement or I'll post it in the main group, so you can take advantage of that. First 25 student, you have the information how to make a payment, Zelle info right here. All of you, the people who already took the class yesterday, they will be, I posted in the main that group also. I did post this thing in the group. All right, so let's go back here now. So right now what I think is the Mara, which is probably pullback. Then let's take a look at Intel. I like the Intel also, folks. So Intel trying to bounce here, because look here, we had a gap, trying to bounce, rejection, we retest, now trying to go up. All right, so I like the Intel long side also. Intel, so if Intel could come back to the $22 cloud support and bounce, is a good entry. Okay, then what Tesla, let's take a look at Tesla, what Tesla doing, folks. Tesla is, remember I said my target Tesla, I'm bearish. Look folks, look at the last time video when I said Tesla could bounce. If they want to bounce, and they could bounce here 364 and then could have a rejection, and we could go lower and still we're gonna test 315. Remember when I said we were here, I said Tesla could go to 315, not 364. I said Tesla could go to 315, and it did come down and then bounce, and I said, oh folks, it's okay. There is always cycle, goes down, up, down, and they go test and they go rejection, and now Tesla wants to go lower. Look what exactly Tesla doing, correct? And I'll be not surprised. Okay, well, that's the demand zone. Let's see after that. Maybe next week I'll again update the video, but right now Tesla looking bearish, so Tesla is still, bears are in control on Tesla. All right, Tesla looking bearish. What else I need to look into it? What I like about it, Hood, folks. Sorry, I said about Carvana. Remember Carvana was 300 and I said Carvana is a great short, folks. Look at that, and I tell you right now, Carvana looking great, wants to go down, and where it is going here. When that happens, God knows, folks. Okay, but look at these people already started. Look at, there is no wick below the body, everything is bearish, cloud testing. So if you want to short, if Carvana bounce here and rejection come, then you could go lower. But look at this, how they dumped it, right? Magri cross here too. All right, so Carvana bearish looking right now, trying to push it down. Then Hood, let's take a look at the Hood conditions are bullish, folks, but look at the flush now. So Hood is bearish. Hood wants to go $40. When it would go, 1 month, 2 months, market maker do play dirty game. They get you excited looking at the red candle, but they do play dirty game, bounce and then rejection. But Hood is getting little treatment right now, started treatment, but condition is bullish. Okay, remember MACD is slightly bearish, so be careful on a Hood catching the falling knife. Okay, or going down also, looking bearish, but conditions are bullish. So mixed signal I'm getting on. I don't like the Hood. I like the Tesla short over Hood. I like the Carvana short over Hood. Okay, let's take a look at the Hood Carvana Palantir. Let's take a look at the Palantir. So Palantir, look at that, folks. There is a trap here. There is a cheese here. They look like bearish here. Look at this, but man, this is cheese here. You don't want to go into the cheese. Market maker keep playing the cheese. Look at this, and they could bounce. Be careful. So when they would go, when everybody will forget about Palantir until everybody burns out monthly calls or weekly calls. So that could be the game probably. Okay, so still I would be not shorting the Palantir, even though they're looking bearish. Conditions are bullish. Okay, that's why stay away. All right, let's call it a day on this one, folks. I think I need to run somewhere. So other than that, most likely, look for the market tomorrow, see how market performs tomorrow. We are at the support zone, this support, and see how market does it. Don't forget to click the like button also, folks. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. All right, see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30. Take care. Bye.